Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 related to its latest available PI-based version, that is 087. So in this particular video we'll see how to download and manually install the OTA package, or I would say Delta package, for the version 087. And in this particular video we'll see how to download it and how to install it. So let's begin with that. So on my phone screen you are able to view that the currently installed version is 084 with the security patch level of 5 July 2020. So before we jump into the installation part, we have to download the needed files or required file. So I've already drafted, or I would say created, a dedicated article for the same on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description section below so that you can go over afterward. So nothing major has been mentioned, few minor things. Firstly, like this is a build number ending with 087 and so on. So the good part is that this particular Delta package is available for three different versions. One is version 063, then version 082, and then last one, that is version 084. So you can directly upgrade from 063 to 087, 082 to 087, and 084 to 87. The difference is just a minor in terms of sizes. So for version 084 to 87, it's having a 603 MB of I would say update file. With 82 to 87, the update file is 612 MB, and with 063 to 087, the update file size is of 60 I would say 642 MB approximately. So till now I am able to know that this is a changelog that is upgraded to system, or I would say upgraded to September 2020 security patch and so on. So now the main thing is that how and from where we can download it. So these are the URL mentioned below. Again, these are from the official ASUS servers link, not provided by me or any third party. So again, if you are on version 060 and wants to update to 087, then you can follow this particular URL. If you are on 82 and want to update to 87, then you can follow this particular URL. And I think 60 to 70% of users are already on 084. So if you are on 084, then you can follow this URL to update it directly to the 087. So once you will be downloading it, you have to rename that file to this particular bold letters like ul asus user.zip file. And I'll be showing you that part as well. But before that, these are our social handles. So you can either follow us or subscribe us on any of these. So let's begin with the installation part. So let me confirm you that I've already downloaded those files to cut down the time. So this is in my download folder. So this is that particular file. So you just have to rename it according to that particular text that I have provided you on my blog. So once you will rename it, you have to move it to the internal storage. Again, I have done that part. So let me show you. So after renaming, it will be look like this: ul asus up till this. So once you will be putting it into the internal storage, then afterward you are good to go with the reboot system. And once you will be rebooting system, you will see one notification that is known as, or I would say with the prompt as system update file detected, and you just have to tap on that, and afterward it will start installing it. In the meantime, we'll move to the home screen or login screen. Again, let me confirm you that there is no update with the camera to API. So earlier, if it was legacy at your side, it will tend to be legacy. But if you have already enabled, then it will be intact and it will be enabled by default. And apart to this Widevine certification, there are some users like me who like whose are, I would say, their Widevine certification is showing nearly about L3. So it is again be L3, it won't be changing to L1, but at your side, if it is L1, then it will tends to be L1. So as you are able to view that system update file detected, and we have successfully booted to the home screen. So let me tap it here. So it is 603 or 604 MB file, that is for the 87. Just tap it here, and now it will prepare the Android system to, or I would say Android system will prepare the update, and it will restart our phone or reboot phone. And afterward we'll move to the system update section wizard. So finally our phone has been successfully rebooted, and now it moves to the install system update wizard. So it will take nearly about 7 to 10 minutes. So be patient, or I would say do not play with your volume rocker buttons or power button, otherwise it may result into the soft brick or hard brick. So let's wait till the time this will be completed, and we'll confirm it afterward. So finally phone has been restarted after successfully installing the update. Now it will take nearly about 2 to 3 minutes to successfully log into the home screen, or I would say login screen, and afterward it will show a prompt. So let's wait till that time. So finally the phone has been successfully booted to the home screen or login screen, and on it is showing finishing system update, and after a while you will see a prompt like system update successful. So finally we got that particular prompt as well, like successful system update, successfully updated to the version 087 ending and so on. But let me confirm you again by moving to the settings sections that using Delta package we have been successfully updated from 084 to 087. So on my screen you are able to view 087 with the security patch level of 5 September 2020. So this was all from my side related to the how to download and manually install the Delta package, or I would say OTA package, for the version 063, 082 and 084 for version or to the version 087. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.